Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we have some exciting news for all your investors out there. Tata Technologies Limited, the global engineering and technology solutions company, is all set to hit the stock market with its initial public offering. I'm Sundar, you are watching Mindful Finance, and in this video, we'll take a deep dive into the key details of this much anticipated IPO. Let's explore the company's financial position and growth potential and compare it to its peers. TTL was originally called Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company or Telco. Then it was renamed to Tata Technologies Limited in 2017. TTL is the largest engineering services company in India. It has a presence in over 30 countries and employs over 20,000 people. Tata Technologies Limited or TTL is a well-established company with a strong financial positions. With a track record of profitability for several years and a healthy balance sheet, TTL is indeed a force to be reckoned within global engineering and technology solutions space. TTL has a long history of innovation. It was the first company in India to develop a metro train. It has also developed a number of other products, including locomotives, buses, and defense vehicles. TTL is a major supplier to the Indian automotive industries. It supplies components to a number of major automakers, including Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, and Mahindra. TTL is also a major supplier to the Indian defense industries, which even when I was doing this analysis, I got shocked that they are also involved in creating components for defense industries. Not only defense industries, it's also supplies for Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. TTL is a committed corporation citizen. It has a number of social responsibility initiatives, including the program to provide educations and trainings to the underprivileged children. During 1989, Tata Technologies Limited (TTL) is founded as the automotive design unit of Tata Motors. During 1994, TTL is hived off as a separate company. During 2005, TTL acquires InCAD International, a UK and US based automotive and aerospace engineering company. 2011, TTL rises rupees 141 crore, approximately 30 million US dollar, by selling 13% stake of Tata Capital and Alpha TC Holdings. 2013, TTL acquires Cambric Corporation, an American engineering service company. 2023, we are here now. TTL files for an IPO. If you look out the management team of TTL, Warren Kevin Harris is a CEO and Managing Director of Tata Technologies Limited. He has over 30 years of experience in the engineering and technology industry. He is a graduate of University of Wales Institute of Science and Technology. Prahlada Rao is the president and client partner for the organization's Tata Motor Limited. Prior to joining Tata Technology, he worked at Mahindra for almost 27 years. The third person, Sanjay Acharya. He is a CFO and is having almost 20 years of experience in financial services industry. Venkataraman Sundaram is a CTO having a 25 years of experience. Arun Ramachandra, head of digital and having a 20 years of experience in the information technologies. So we have a very solid management team over. Before we delve into TTL's growth potential, let's take a quick look at some key financial details for the company. In FY22, TTL's revenue stood at an impressive rupees 3,492 crore. The net profit of rupees 342 crore. The company's EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciations and amortizations, was rupees 739 crore. Additionally, TTL maintains a debt to equity ratio of 0.2, which indicates a strong financial footing, and it's almost a debt free company. So TTL has a strong presence in India. It is also expanding its operations in other markets such as US, Europe and China, and also they are planning to expand to other markets in the coming years. This IPO is a follow-on public offer of 9.57 crore shares. The price band for the IPO is set at rupees 220 to 227 per share. The opening date as July 25, 2023. The closing date is July 27, 2023. Shares are expected to be listed on BSE and NSE on August 2nd, 2023. So let's see what is this PE ratio and PB ratio. Like it's not an actual one, but it's expected based on the finance data. Based on the current finance details, let's find out what is its PE ratio, PB ratio, and ROE, etc. So let's see if we see the net profit is 1,600 crores, number of shares declared is 9.5 crores, and the price per share is 220 rupees. Total shareholders' equity is coming around 4,800 crores. The market capitalization is 2,100 crores. So if you see the calculation for EPS, which is the formula for net profit by number of shares, it is coming around 168. So the PE is price per share by EPS, which is 1.31. And if you see the book value, the total equity per by total shares, which is 505, and the PB is share price by book value per share, which is 0.44. And the ROE, which is net income by total equity, which is coming around 33%, which means for every 1 rupee, the company is making 0.3 rupees. The use of proceeds of TTL, they have a vision of growing the company, and the main other plan is to close all their debts. So let's see what is the growth potential of TTL. So TTL is well positioned for growth. Being a leader in the global engineering and technology space, it has a varied knowledge and domain expertise in specifically to the engineering technologies. And the company's expansion into new markets and the future, which is we are talking about the electric vehicles, the sustainable energy basis. So they are looking more into engineering for electric vehicles and aerospace sectors. And their revenues seems to be like 3,492 crore during the FY22, and the net profit is 342 crore during the FY22, and the EBITDA is 739 crore, and the debt to equity is almost, the company is debt free, which is 0.2. TTL is not resting on its laurels. The company is well positioned for future growth, benefiting from expansion of the auto and other industry it serves. As a leader in this domain, TTL's reputation and expertise plays a crucial role in its growth trajectory. Moreover, TTL is venturing into new markets including the electric vehicle and aerospace sectors, which could be a significant growth driver in the coming years. TTL's offerings are diverse and cater to the specific needs of its clients in the automotive and other industries. This include design, engineering, manufacturing and digital solutions for vehicles, components and manufacturing plants. Such a comprehensive range of service positions TTL as a one-stop shop for its clients' engineering and technology requirements. Tata Technologies is a world-leading ER&D company that offers services and solutions to the auto sector, including OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. It's a subsidiary of Tata Motors with around 75% stake owned by the parent company. To understand Tata Technologies' role in the auto sector, let's take a look at a case study. The company partnered with Tata Motors to convert existing internal combustion engine, which is ICE engine vehicles, into electrical vehicles, which is EVs. Tata Technologies successfully completed and launched two ICE to EV conversion vehicles, Tata Tigger EV in 2021 and Tata Tiago EV in 2023. Some of you might be wondering about the difference between Tata Elxsi and Tata Technologies. While both companies operate in the engineering and technology solution space, there are key distinctions. Tata Elxsi, a Tata Group company as well, operates in multiple sectors including automotive, broadcast, communications and healthcare. In contrast, Tata Technologies is a pure play ER&D company, solely focused on automotive sectors. This specialized focus positions Tata Technologies as a comprehensive end-to-end solution provider within the automotive industry. As we look ahead, the automotive industry is experiencing significant transformation with the rise of autonomous, connected, and electrical vehicles. This opens up immense growth opportunities for companies like Tata Technologies as they are the forefront of offering cutting-edge solutions in this domain. The global ER&D spending in the automotive sector is estimated at a staggering of 167 billion, and Tata Technologies, with its expertise and competitive pricing, is well positioned to capitalize on this growing market. Let's now explore key strengths and challenges that will impact Tata Technologies' future growth. The company boasts deep expertise in automotive industry, the long-standing relationship with anchor clients like Jaguar Land Rover and Tata Motors. This has allowed Tata Technologies to develop end-to-end solutions, establish itself as a top India-based ER&D service company. On the flip side, Tata Technologies faces challenges related to dependency on top clients in the automotive sector itself. Any slowdown in their key clients' growth or a downturn in the auto industry could impact Tata Technologies' growth trajectory. Additionally, intense competition in the ER&D market might lead to pricing pressures affecting margins. Turning our attention to financials, Tata Technologies has demonstrated solid revenue and profit growth in recent years. The company's profitability is decent with an impressive improvement in EBITDA margins. Furthermore, being a debt-free and generating net positive cash flow enhances its financial stability. The auto industry is evolving rapidly with a focus on ACEs, which is autonomous, electrified, and shared vehicles. Tata Technology is well positioned to capitalize on this shift. With its expertise, experienced leadership, and cost effective solutions, the company has significant growth opportunities. Tata Technologies has deep expertise in auto industry, end-to-end solutions in EVs and connected vehicles, and a strong brand name within Tata Group. However, it faces challenges such as dependency on key clients on the auto sector, talent retention, and stiff competition. TTL's goal is nothing short of global leadership in the engineering and technology solution space. With a vision to create a better future through technology, the company is driven by innovation and commitment to making a positive impact on society. How do you invest in TTL now? What shall we do now? Whether is it so we saw PB, we saw PE, all looks good. So what shall we do? So before getting into that, just try to understand the pros and cons of this particular. So let's talk about pros and cons of TTL. It has a strong financial position. It has no doubt that it has a growth potentials, and it is the leader in the engineering and technology solution space, and it is aggressively expanding its market base. So what are the cons now? The main con is this IPO is an offer for sale, so there is no lock-in period for the selling shareholders. That means if when it launches in the NSE and BSE, immediately anybody can sell. So that is the biggest con, I would say, because if FIIs who were investing on this, if they find out that it's a good price to sell, they will immediately sell and the price may go down. And there are a lot of risks associated with the automobile industries. Predicting the future of automobile industry is somewhat very complicated. So getting into a complicated zone is not advisable. So that is another con of this IPO. So let's go through the estimated TTL finance ratios. As we calculated, PE is coming almost approximately say 1.3 to 1.5, and ROE is 20%, which is return on the equity. ROC is 25%. The PEG ratio is 1. So PEG ratio is 1, which clearly indicates that it is undervalued. So based on the TTL's fundamental analysis, what we can infer is the company has a great potentials. Its estimated PE seems to be very low compared to the peers, even though they have good amount of competitors in the market. But as a Tata company, you can feel confident about Tata Industries. As you know, this is Tata's company. So there are people who are fans of Tata, and they can blindly invest in Tata-based companies. So same way, TTL also seems to be a promising company. It is a growth company, and the management seems to be it has a great growth potential. Even though currently it doesn't seem like a market leader, but it has a lot of potential to become a leader in this industries. It has a lot of potential to grow in its space, and it has consistently shown the profits and it's almost a debt-free company. And when you see the PEG ratio, it is 1, and it clearly says it's undervalued. And if you see the book value, it is trading at the rate of half of the price, and the PE ratio is 1.3, which is clearly says that it is very much it's almost dead cheap at this current price. But again, these are estimated ratios. It may change, but considering the current state of, based on the current balance sheets, we can clearly see that it is an undervalued stock. You can, without any hesitations, you can subscribe. But who are subscribing for this one, everyone may not be everyone may not be getting this allocations. But it's not a big deal, right? I'm not a big fan of IPO. I normally wait for some time after the release of IPO. Whenever it gets settled down, or whenever it's silent in the market of this particular things, then I'll just try to analyze, and then I try to enter. If you want to subscribe this one, check the financial details from your side as well as, or if you have any financial advisor, just validate your interest, and if it all goes, all the best. This is a fantastic company to say. Thank you.